In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back missing camera app on iPhone. So let's go ahead and start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. And once you're inside, just scroll down a bit until you see screen time, then tap on it. Now that you're in screen time, keep scrolling down and look for content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and tap on that, and if it's turned on, you'll be able to access more controls for apps and features on your phone. Once you're inside that menu, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. This is where Apple lets you control which built-in apps are allowed to show or be used on your device, so if something is missing, it's usually managed here. Now look for camera in the list and make sure the toggle is turned on. As soon as you enable it, the camera app should instantly become available again on your home screen or app library. At this point, your camera app should already be restored, so you can just go back to your home screen and check if it has reappeared. Most of the time, it comes back immediately once the restriction is removed. If you still don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it just takes a few seconds or a quick swipe through your app pages or app library for it to show up again. You can also double check by searching camera using the search bar on your iPhone, just to make sure it's not hidden in a folder or moved somewhere else. And that's it, your camera app should now be back and ready to use normally again on your iPhone. If you still can't find it after all of this, another quick thing you can try is resetting your home screen layout in settings, which can help bring back any missing default apps to their original place. Sometimes screen time settings can take a moment to fully update across your device, so if things don't change immediately, just give it a little time and check again after a minute or two. Once everything syncs properly, your camera app should stay visible and fully functional, and you'll be able to use it like normal again without any issues. If you're still running into problems, it's also worth checking if there are any other restrictions enabled under screen time, because sometimes app visibility is affected by multiple settings working together. In some cases, both content restrictions and allowed apps need to be adjusted before the camera app fully returns. Another thing you can try is restarting your iPhone after making the change. Just power it off completely and turn it back on, because that refresh can help the system reload all your app permissions and bring back missing icons that didn't update right away. And if everything is set correctly, the camera app should appear right back where it normally sits on your home screen or inside the app library. From there you can open it like usual and start using it without any further adjustments needed. Just keep in mind that screen time is designed to control access to apps, so if someone ever enabled restrictions on purpose, this is the exact same place you'll come back to whenever you need to fix it again.